It's your lucky day. I'm 1000% sure that this is the first time you are hearing about this niche. This TikTok channel has gained 290,000 followers with this untouched and low competitive niche. Honestly, I haven't seen anyone other than this channel who posts videos similar to this niche. Basically, that means this niche is one of the low competitive niches for TikTok. The owner of this TikTok page probably makes more than $5,000 a month with the TikTok Creator Rewards program. So, it's safe to say that if you start a TikTok or YouTube channel in this niche, you can grow faster and make money through it. But what you must understand is that this is not a get-rich-quick method. You have to be patient and consistent through the process. This TikTok page has 156 videos, and they post at least 5 videos a week, and that's how they have achieved this success. In this video, I will show you how to create a TikTok or YouTube channel with this niche. I'm gonna call this niche the farce stories niche. Okay, I know what you are thinking. What the fuck is a farce story? Calm down, let me explain. This is a comedy story, but deep down it has meaning and it represents real-world issues. Basically, in this niche we are going to create made-up comedy and humor stories to represent the issues in people and society. Once you see an example video, you will understand this niche. I'm going to show you 2 methods to create videos for this. In the first method, I'm going to use an all-in-one AI tool. In the second method, I will show you how to do the same thing with a manual method. Let's start with the automation AI method. I'm going to use syllabi.io for this process. It's an AI tool that you can use for your content creation journey. This tool has many features such as creating talking avatars, script generation, AI video generation, and video editing. This is literally an all-in-one tool. My favorite feature of this tool is the research tool. We can find out which topics are trending on Google, YouTube, or any other social media platform. With this option, you can find low competitive niches and video ideas. I'm going to use this faceless video creation tool to create videos for this new niche. A lot of you guys asked me to find a free AI video generator. I couldn't find a 100% free AI tool, but this syllabi.io has a 7-day free trial period. So I think you can try this tool before spending money. The first thing that we must do is we should create a story and script for that. You can either use ChatGPT or you can use this tool for that as well. If you are planning to use ChatGPT, I have created this specific prompt for that. You can use this prompt to generate a story using ChatGPT. I will leave this as a comment in this video. In this case, I'm going to use Syllabi Script Assistant to generate this story. Go to this Create Video option and select this Faceless Video option. This is where all the magic happens. You can select the language and subtitle style using this. I'm going to select English, and I will keep this subtitle style as it is. Then, you need to select a suitable AI voice from here. They have more than 50 realistic AI voices, so check these voices and select a suitable one. Now, if you check this video length option, as you can see here, it says less than 1 minute. So this length is suitable for short videos and reels, but if you want, you can increase it up to 10 minutes, then it's going to be a long video. I will create a long video later. For now, let's make a short video. Now, I'm going to paste this prompt to generate the script for this story. Let's generate the script. Perfect. Now, you can select to have either AI visuals or video visuals. If you select this option, you can use stock videos instead of AI visuals. But for this niche, it's better to use AI visuals. We have several image models such as action, vintage, comic looking, and more. You can select a suitable image model from these, but I'm going to go with this one. And let's generate the video. It will take several minutes to complete your video. Once the video is generated, you will come to this page. If you want to change the AI visuals, you can do this by clicking this Edit Image option. After that, you can either directly post this video to these platforms or download it. This process is really simple.
Once upon a time, in the quirky town of Jumbleton, lived Fred, a man with a peculiar talent. He could make anything disappear except his problems. One day, Fred decided to clean up the town's messy park. With a dramatic wave, he shouted, "Begone, trash!" but accidentally vanished everyone's picnic baskets instead. The townsfolk were puzzled, but Fred had a brilliant idea. He declared a town-wide potluck, uniting everyone with an abundance of food and laughter. As people shared stories and meals, they realized that community spirit was the real magic. Fred's picnic mishap taught Jumbleton that sometimes unintended chaos can bring people together. From that day on, he was the town's favorite magician, not for his disappearing act, but for conjuring unity through laughter and joy.
This is perfect. So, I would like to thank syllabi.io for sponsoring this video. And guys, you can try this AI tool. Has a 7-day free trial period. I discussed it with them and got a good deal for you guys. You can use this promo code to get a 25% discount. Now, let's move on to the manual method. This process probably will take about 2 hours. I'm going to use 4 tools for this process: ChatGPT, 11 Labs, Leonardo AI, and CapCut. Let's start with ChatGPT. I'm going to use this prompt to generate the video script for this story. I also have attached an example story for this prompt. As you can see here, we have an amazing script for this story. I will show you a method to create accurate images using ChatGPT and Leonardo AI. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create image-generating prompts for this script. Then we can use Leonardo AI to generate images using those prompts. Okay, now we can use these prompts to generate images. Let's go to Leonardo AI and generate the images. I like this comic-looking style of images, so let's use this model, and then make sure to adjust the size of the images to portrait, because we are going to make a short video. Then copy the prompts we generated and create the images. So carefully create all the images you need. Now, if you want, you can add motions and animate these images. Then, let's go to 11 Labs to make voiceovers for this script. For this niche, I would prefer to have a deep voice that can narrate a story in a mysterious way, so I think this voice, which is James, is good for this video. Let's select it, and then all you need to do is copy and paste the script we generated to 11 Labs and create voiceovers. It's as simple as that. Then, we need to find suitable background music. I would recommend you guys use the YouTube library for that. This is really easy. You don't need to worry about copyright issues or giving credit to the creator, and all the soundtracks are free. Then, let's go to CapCut and create the final output. Once you download the CapCut, open it and start a new project. Make sure to click this Modify button and select 9:16 ratio. Then, click this Import button and import all the materials we downloaded. After that, you need to drag the voice over to the timeline like this. If there are long, unnecessary silent parts in these voiceovers, make sure to remove those. Once you are done with that process, add the videos that we download to the timeline. Try to match the videos with voiceovers. Now we can add some transitions to these clips to improve the quality of the video. So, go to Transition from this top menu, and let's add some transitions. But make sure to add a smooth transition in between all the clips. Don't add fancy transitions. It's not suitable for this niche. We need to add captions for this video. Go to Text from this top menu, select Auto Captions, and click this Generate button. Within several seconds, this will automatically generate the captions for your video. We can't use these boring captions like this. We must edit these to make this video to next level. Let's bring all the captions to the middle of the video. Let's make all the letters capital, and we need to add an elegant font for this. I think this font would be suitable for this. Then, if you go to these effects, there are hundreds of effects here. You can add a suitable effect from these. Instead of using steady caption, I think it would be better if we add some animations to those. Now, select all the captions and go to Animations, and select this caption option. You can add a good caption animation from here. Then all you need to do is add the background music to the timeline and adjust its volume to match the voiceover. And with that, your video is completed. Now, you can either try the automation method or the manual method. It's completely up to you guys. And with that, this video is about to end. I will see you guys in the next video.